Here's our new project. This is a PTO housing off like a 70 or, yeah, I don't know, off a Magnum, early Magnum tractors, the first Magnums. 71 whatevers, 89 whatevers. I don't know the numbers. Everything's an 8950 to me. But anyhow, basically what happens, we've done this before, is that seals where it grooves in there. So you machine it out and you press this sleeve in there and that renews the bore. So we'll try to bore that out without wrecking it. This is a good piece, so accuracy is going to count. This is not a junk piece. Well, it kind of is junk, but we fixed 2 of them so far, so we can't wreck the 3rd one. That'll kind of defeat the purpose and we'll get our asses kicked. Okay, we got the mill trammed in, all 4 corners. We're reading zeros, X and Y. So that means where spindle is parallel, or this is straight both this way and this way. That's what that means.
Style 7 days a week.
Visit the Chandelier Bar tonight at Salvatore's.
Well, according to research, 82% of people remember radio ads. That means that 82%
Okay, we got the sleeve ready to press in. The only thing you got to keep your shit together on is marking your ports where the ports are. Because you got ports you got to line up so the oil goes in. And then the holes are not drilled center. And if you can tell, the port is offset to the side that's facing up here. So other than that, keep your shit together and you'll be alright. I'll just take and press that down in there. Okay, in typical fashion, we got nervous about pressing it in there. Forgot to take a video of it, but that went somewhat flawlessly with an inch or 1.5 thousandths press fit, pressed in there nice. Last time we had like 3, and the fellas had to hone this out a little bit because it fit a little tight. So hopefully this will alleviate that problem. What time will tell. Hopefully it's okay that way. I assume it's a raw casting that sticks through just a little bit. But I'm assuming you'd want it flush on this side. This looks like it's machined for some purpose. And then this is the brake assembly. I believe it's a brake assembly that holds it from turning. That goes in there, and them are little cylinders that push out when you put oil to that port. We'll just leave them loose in there. They push right out. We'll take it back. See how we did.